Okay, the first thing in your mind, you got to change your thought process about nutrient management, how you view the soil. The last 100 years, well, I would say the last 75 years since fertilizer has been around, we think of the soil like this: an inorganic-based soil solution soluble state. We think of the soil like this. You throw this like a chemistry set. We think of the soil as a chemistry set. We throw our fertilizers, it goes into the soil solution, and it gets sucked up into the plant. By the way, what percentage, when you throw that chemical fertilizer, actually goes into the plant? Anybody have an idea? It's in the Nature and Properties of Soils, page 725, I think. What percentage actually goes into the, if you have $1,000 worth of fertilizer out there, what percentage actually goes into the soil? Anybody have a guess? To the plant. How much? You knew the answer. Would you cheat it? That's good. They did tracer N15. They followed it up, radioisotope. They followed up the plant. 60% was taken up by the soil mafia, by the organisms, and by the complex organic pools. Here's the point. Chemical fertilizer does not feed the plant. It is the soil that feeds the plant. The majority of the nutrients still came from the soil. Now, because we function that way, a recent paper written by Dr. Drinkwater from Cornell University, because of this paradigm, the soil is a chemistry set, we lose 40 to 60% of our N and P. We have bare fallow for 4 to 8 months. As soon as that crop is, it's bare for 4 to 8 months. We have decoupled, her words, the carbon, the nitrogen, and the phosphorus cycle. We bypassed it, we decoupled it. Dr. Drinkwater, Dr. Swift, they've known this for a while. Now, let me see if I can do my little... See, we think the soil's like this, just a little pool of cations and ions flowing around. You get the water solution in there, you mix it with the mineralogy, you get the root, and then you throw your chemical fertilizer, just like a beautiful little inorganic chemical fertilizer chemistry set. Yes, these things happen, but it's biochemistry that runs inorganic chemistry. Can't do it without the biology. Now, I'll ask my young lady, the young lady back there, you see that video? See that? There's a video right there on this other one, this other side. Right here. There we go. Thank you. You're getting good. This is the way we should look at our soils. And you notice I put the music on for you, the Bee Gees, staying alive, staying alive. No. This is the way we need to look at our soils. Organic mineral pools, microbially plant mitigated, ecologically based nutrient management. What a novel idea. Since the system is ecological, why don't we use the ecology-based concepts? We are. This is how we're going to start on this journey. Okay. I want to remind you, all these things need to be present for nutrient cycling to happen. Without chemical fertilizer. Do you know what the word health means? For you to be able to be healthy, to function, even though you get a disturbance, and you can still function normally. Your soil should be able, a good healthy soil should be able to cycle nutrients on its own, not with your help.